Kayla.
Merry Christmas. Were you a good girl this year? Were you? You listening to Mommy and Daddy? Okay, are you sure? You're going to be a good girl again this year for Mommy and Daddy?
Well, give him a hug. Climb on his lap. He'll give you your present.
Merry Christmas. What do we got in here for you? She's got some stuff in here for you. I do believe we brought something for you. What's this, huh? That Hannah Montana, huh? There's more. That's not all. We got more than that. What do we got here? Disney Princess.
Wow.
For the princess herself.
You gotta make Daddy read that to you at night now, okay? You make Mommy and Daddy read that to you later.
And there's one more.
And there's another one.
Magnets for the
We
door.
got some magnets. All right.
Say thank you,
Okay.
Santa.
You be a good girl. What do we got for Tommy in here? Uh-oh, Santa brought him a
man.
Santa blanket.
Wow.
What we got
Tommy.
here?
Far out, man.
Uh-oh, you got some magnets too.
Tommy loves magnets.
There you
A
go.
flashlight.
Be a
Cool.
good boy for Mom and Dad now.
Hey, Tommy, I did not hear you.
Merry Christmas.
Tommy, you did not thank Santa Claus.
Thank you,
Give Santa a hug.
Hey, little guy, there's your card too. Don't forget about that.
Give
Say
Santa a hug,
hi to
Tommy.
Grandpa. Say hi to Grandpa and
Say
Grandma.
hi to Grandpa. Say Merry Christmas.
Open the door all you want. You can only open it if you have those.
Tommy, give Santa, put it down, give Santa a hug.
All right, you be a good boy for Mom and Dad, okay? Make sure you listen to your Mom and Dad, okay? You be a good boy, Santa might come back again next
I love your
year.
outfit.
She's been playing with
Okay.
her pets all morning. She took out all her Weevil houses and put
You
all
know?
her pets in them.
Here, where's the bag? We can leave them a bag. Keep your stuff in your bag. You can carry it all. You want to put it all in there? Then you can carry it nice and easy.
I can't
There
walk.
you
There's
go.
too many toys, guys. I'm going to have to throw them all away.
Thank you,
No, you're
Santa.
going to move them out from under my feet. I thought so.
Santa's got other stops to make.
Yep.
Yeah,
Santa's
Santa's
got to
got
go.
somewhere else to
I got
go.
lots of little ones
Goodbye,
to see
Santa.
today,
See you next
okay?
year.
Bye. You guys be good.
Give
Give
Santa a
Santa
hug,
a
Danny.
hug, sweetie.
We
Can I
gotta
have
go
a hug?
show
Danny, give Santa a
Some
hug.
other
Can I
kids
have
didn't see
Santa have a hug?
Santa today, so we're going to take them to see
Oh,
Santa.
you're a little
See,
sweetheart.
yeah.
You be a good
We're
girl.
taking them
Tommy,
all
give Santa a
away.
hug goodbye and thank him.
His sleigh broke down.
Okay. Bye. Santa's getting a ride in a limo to his next stop. Merry Christmas, Mom.
Santa's sleigh broke down, so he has to ride in a limo for the rest of the day.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.